Want to earn passive income in 2025 without surveys, tax, or selling anything? In this video, I'll show you how to use Honeygain, a free app that lets you make money just by sharing your internet connection. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to register, how to earn, and how to withdraw your earning. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you want simple online income ideas, beginner-friendly side hustles, and legit ways to earn worldwide, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss new videos every week. First, to get started on Honeygain, go over to the official website and download the app, or you can download through App Store. And you sign up with your email, you confirm your account, and you get a $5 sign-up bonus just for creating your account, which is a good start toward your first payout. And this is how the homepage looks like. This is the homepage after downloading. So how do you make money with Honeygain? Now, Honeygain works by securely sharing your unused internet connection with trusted companies. Now, you don't need to worry because they won't see your personal data, just your connection. You earn credits for every MB of traffic you share, and you can connect multiple devices like your phone, your tablet, your laptop to earn faster. And you can also invite your friends to earn faster. Now, this is not a life-changing money, but it's a smart side hustle for passive cash. Now, to start making money or to start sharing your internet connection, click on More, click on Settings, and you make sure that all these options are turned on. Make sure that you turn this on: share internet and earn, use mobile data. Now, if this one is turned off, you will only earn if you are using Wi-Fi. Now, make sure this is also turned on. Allow usage on battery, because if turned off, Honeygain will earn money only while charging. And you can also turn this on so that it will run in the background. So it's so simple. Now, when you have up to 20,000 credits, which is $20, you can cash out. And you can cash out via PayPal or crypto option if you are using Jump Tax. Now, to cash out, you click on More and you click on Payouts. As you can see, because I don't have up to the minimum withdrawal amount, this option, payout option, is not available for me. So it is very easy no matter where you live. So if you'll be trying Honeygain, then go ahead and use the link in the comment section to get started. And if you're serious about building multiple income streams, then do well to check out other videos on my channel where I share the best apps, side hustles, and work from home ideas that you can start today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any question or your experience if you have used this Honeygain app before. See you in the next video.